So we'll be continuing our Python series, and this time I will teach you about the basics of Python programming. And before we go into VS Code, we'll give a gist of Jupyter Notebook, how to access it and how to use Python within the Jupyter Notebook. Because in the VS Code, I will also be using Jupyter file, that is IPYND file. I will teach you what is that. And in Jupyter Notebook, how to do it is just go and press Jupyter Notebook after you installed Anaconda, and Anaconda uses Python version 3.12. Just click on Jupyter Notebook and it will open this prompt page. Okay, and this is the kernel on which the Jupyter Notebook works. Do not shut down or cut this particular prompt of CMD. Okay, if you just terminate this, it will terminate the whole process and your Python code will not work. Just go here, and for creating a new Python file, you will go just new and click on Python. It will create a new Python file. First, we need only this compiler part. Okay, here see Anaconda is connected here. This is saying kernel is idle, and I told you this is the kernel part. If you cut it, it won't work. So first, let me create a markdown file. That is, I'll just give a heading. Let us say that is our lecture 2, right? So Python lecture 2. So this is our lecture 2, and for executing it, we have to press Control Enter, or to create execute it and create a new shell, just click Shift plus Enter. Okay, so this is how a new shell is being created. First, let me go here and write our first basic code. Our first basic code is, operates on algorithms, basic algorithms. So 3 and plus 8. What's the output? The output would be 11. Right? Simple answer. What are strings and how they work? So basically, alphabet, sentence, letters, or symbols, these all are strings. A string is a bunch of letters and they are denoted or kept in Python by using quotation. It can be either single quotation like this, or it can be used using double quotation like this. So how to do it? Let us take a first string. So print, and we'll print the first programming thing. Hello world, right? Hello, hello and world. So this is how the part hello world that is kept inside quotation. So this is a string. We'll press shift plus enter. See, hello world is being executed. Your output is here. So this is a string. If I can write like this also, like print, and let me write like I love my country. Okay, so I love my country. This is a string, and we will execute it. See, it works. But you have to close the quotation and the brackets, otherwise it won't be printed. So this was the basic Python about normal things. And we can take variables, like if you have been familiar with in the math, like taking a variable of something. Suppose a is equals to 10 and taking b is equals to 9, then I have to do a sum. Then sum is equals to a plus b, right? And let me print. I want sum. I won't keep it quotation because I am printing a variable, so I won't keep in quotation. Let's see what it's print, right? Shift enter. See, it's 19. 10 plus 9 equals to 19. So a value is 10 here and b value is 9 here. And sum is equals to a plus b, that is 10 plus 9, that is 19. Then I'm printing the value of sum, but it's only printing 19. I want a variable showing that the sum of a plus b is that. How to do it? I will just write in quotation sum of a plus b. Then I will close the quotation and I can give a equals to, right? Then just press a comma and shift enter. See, the sum of a plus b equals to 19. So this is how you write a string, and this is how you print a variable. Now take the name of the name as a variable. So I'm taking name equals to, suppose like my name is Shobik, so I will take it as Shobik. Okay. And then I will just print name, right? And will press shift plus enter. See, my name is being executed. So this is how we write Python codes of strings and normal variables.